So good morning, Katie. We're here this morning to talk to our members about the Janus Supreme Court decision and the implications that that has for our membership. So why don't you go ahead and explain what we know about the decision.
Good morning, Brian. Sure. So earlier this week, as I'm sure you heard, the Supreme Court of the United States overturned and overruled the 1977 Abood versus Detroit Board of Education case. And they essentially, in that case, they deemed that agency fee is illegal. So the court overruled in a 5-4 decision that the underpinnings of Abood were unworkable. So they overruled Abood, and now agency fee is illegal.
Okay, so as far as our members go now, can you share specifically what that means, both for our current members and new members who may be coming in?
Absolutely. So while the case ruling was not surprising or unexpected, there were some silver linings. First of all, we were prepared for this. We were preparing all year by talking to the members and by recarding. So in about April, May, we unrolled those member cards, and those cards are valid. If you wish to stay a member of the union, you need do nothing else. Those cards that you signed are upheld, and actually you don't have to re-sign them every year. Those cards going forward will be valid for your status as a dues paying member in the union. The union is still the collective bargainer with the district. So what that means is that non-members cannot go to the district and strike their own deal. They can't negotiate their own salary or their own contract. The union is still the collective bargainer, and we still have that exclusive bargaining right. Also, payroll deduction is still legal. So if you choose to be a paying member of the union, your dues will still be deducted as before through your paycheck.
Okay, Katie, so I know what I've seen through social media and online, and even contacting me personally, is there are these sort of anti-union groups that have been contacting people trying to convince them to leave the union. Can you tell us a little bit about what you know about those groups and what people can look out for?
Sure. So there are big anti-union groups out there that immediately following the Janus decision, they started emailing members. They foiled the request, Freedom of Information, and they got people's email addresses. And in some cases, they ended up in spam folders. And it's just basically an email that says, you don't have to be a member of your union anymore. You can visit this site or call this number to find out more information. I know that there's a group called Mackinac that's from the Midwest somewhere. They have started, but we also anticipate that there's going to be a lot more anti-union groups out there, and they're going to show up in all forms. Certainly email, possibly TV commercials, flyers through the mail. I'm anticipating that somebody even might come knocking on your door. So just be aware of those groups out there. NYSIT and the PJSTA is not going to send you anything. They're not going to come knocking on your door. So if somebody appears or you get a flyer, it's not from us. I just want to caution the members that if those people spark questions, if you have questions, about Janus or about your contract or about payroll deduction or anything, please don't ask them. Please come to the union. Please come to the PJSTA. The officers know the contract the best. We can get you the answers that are pertinent to our district, to our contract. And while they might bring up different points, they certainly don't know all the fine details of our contract. And you want to make sure that you get the information from your union.
Excellent. All right. Thank you very much. And so certainly on, is it fair to say on the at the PJSTA conference to begin school. We'll have more details there and can answer questions in person for people there.
Absolutely. So the crux of the conference day will be focusing on the finer details of the Janus case as they unfold over the summer. We'll certainly have more information for you then and there. And if you have questions or concerns in between now and then, please don't hesitate to reach out via email or give a phone call. We're always here to answer your questions and get you the correct information.
All right. Excellent, Katie. Thank you. And we hope you and all of our members have a happy and a safe summer.
Enjoy. Thanks, Brian.